Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing a Wendy's Copycat chili recipe. And I've seen this recipe around a lot and I've always wanted to try it, and I thought today would be a good day because me and Calvin has a lot of things to do and this meal will be good when we come in today. So let me get started on my prep work. Okay, I'm going to brown 2 pounds of hamburger meat, and then I'm going to drain it. This recipe calls for a bell pepper, an onion, and celery, so I'm going to get started on my prep work. This recipe calls for a half a cup of diced celery. This recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of bell pepper. I'm going to chop up 1 medium onion to add to my chili. Okay, my hamburger meat is done, and so I'm going to drain it. Okay, my hamburger meat is cooked, and so I've drained it. So I'm going to add it to my crock pot. This is 2 pounds of hamburger meat. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my tomato puree. That word is always hard to say for me. Puree. Okay, now I'm going to be adding a quart of tomato juice. I'm going to give this a little stir. Now then, I'm going to be adding in my chili powder. I added a 1/4 cup of chili powder, and this recipe will be in the description below. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my cumin. My garlic powder. My salt and black pepper. My oregano, my sugar, my cayenne pepper, okay, I'll do this stir. All these spices really do smell good. That's one of the good things about cooking is you get to smell all of the aroma of the spices and stuff. Okay. Now then, I'm going to be adding my kidney beans. And I have drained these and washed them off. Okay. And I'm going to be adding my pinto beans. They also were drained and washed. this a little stir. Okay, now then I'm going to put in my onion. My bell pepper and my celery. Those colors really look good in this chili. It already looks just like Wendy's chili.
That's going to be good this evening. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, I always look forward to recipes that are ready when I come in after I've been out and about.
I remember years ago when your brother was working with me when I was contracting, and Wendy's here in Rome had a sale. At lunchtime, you could go in there and get all the Wendy's chili you wanted for one price. And me and Jimmy, we'd go in there and we would just clean them out. We had a good time.
Okay. Sounds like your dad. Anytime you eat chili, it's good. Especially if it's Wendy's. Okay, now I'm going to be cooking this on low for 3 to 4 hours, depending on your crock pot. Okay, I'll see y'all in a little while. Hi everyone, we're back from running our errands today, and our chili has been cooking for about 4 hours. And this recipe can also be cooked on the stove top too if you want to cook it on there. But I usually, in Georgia, I go towards my crock pot. That way the house doesn't get as hot. But some people don't like a crock pot, but my crock pot is my favorite kitchen utensil, or how would you say that? I think that's how you'd say it. But anyway, so let me do the taste test. That smells really good. Okay, let me give this a stir. Those colors in it looks just like Wendy's chili. Smells good. Okay, let me dish this out some. Let me get a napkin right quick. Just look at that, how good it looks. Here's our Wendy's Copycat chili, and it really looks just like Wendy's chili, and it's really too hot to taste right now, but I think I'm going to give it a little try. And so it's time for the taste test. This is the part I love the best. That is really good. It tastes just like the original Wendy's chili. And I hope y'all will try this recipe. I think if you do, you're really going to like it. And I will be trying it again. And what we will do, since there's just me and Calvin in our family, we will take the leftovers from this pot and we will freeze them. And so we can have enjoy many more meals of the Wendy's chili. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.